In this video, I'm going to make a tutorial on how to design a burger flyer on Canva. And this is going to be a very interesting learning process, especially for someone who has never designed on Canva or someone who is simply trying to design, like a beginner, because I think this tutorial is actually for beginners. So let's get started. I have downloaded my Canva, as you can see, on my mobile phone. So after this tutorial, you can go download Canva on Play Store or the App Store, if you use an iPhone. And it's free. If you do not know, Canva is free, even though they have a premium plan, but you can actually use it for free. So let us get started with the tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is to actually search for the canvas that you want to use for your design, which means the size of the design itself, the dimension. That's what I mean. So I usually, if it's a perfect square design, I usually search for Instagram post. So just come to the search bar, search for Instagram post, and you find this, and then you click blank. And when you click on blank, you'll be shown a blank canvas, empty white space that you can start designing on. So that is what we'll be using for this tutorial. So make sure you don't go anywhere. Make sure you stay with me while I do all the work, and you just have to watch. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now. Like this video. If you have any questions, use the comments to let me know what you think. And so the first thing I want to do is to actually work on the background. That's like one of the first things you do when you start designing. So you can see it is blank white space. So I want to determine the color of our background. So I have something in mind. I have red in mind. So I have red. So let's click on this, and then you click on this to select your color. So you can choose any color you want. Red, I think is red I want, but the red I'm trying to create is a gradient red. So here's how we're going to do it. We're going to click on gradient right here, and then we're going to choose different gradients. So these are different shades of gradients. Look at this, look at this, look at this. So I think I would use this one. So you click on this now to edit the color. So I'm going to click, I'm going to use this. Then I'll click on this, click on the other one, and then add the color to it. So I have my gradient. Well, this, so boom, I have my gradient color right here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add a shape, a circle shape. So I'm going to click on elements, and then I'm going to search for a shape. So you can see circle here. You just click on circle, and then you'll be shown a circle shape that you can use. But if you don't see it there, all you need to do is search for it on this search bar. Simple. So right now I'm going to click on a circle shape. Let me wait for all the elements to load up. So that's how Canva works. Canva works with the internet. It's not, you can't use it offline. So sometimes when your network is slow, it actually means that your work too can be slow. So I'm going to click on this. I have my shape right here, and I would increase the size. And just place it at the bottom right here. Then the next thing I want to do now is to insert the picture of my burger. Now you can get your burger pictures even on Canva, but I got my burger pictures from FreePic. I went to download it on FreePic, and then remove the background with photo room, and then imported it on my Canva. So that's it. All you need to do is click on upload, and when you click on upload, you're able to go to your gallery and then upload your image and all that stuff. So I'm just going to click on this to import it. So I have my burger picture right here. So I'm just going to click on crop, so I can crop out this watermark because I removed the background of this burger with photo room, and I'm using the free version, so the watermark has to be there. But I can just crop it out. I'm trying to crop it perfectly. Yeah, here we go. So we have our burger right here. I'm going to reduce the size. And I'll just place it here. Exactly. The next thing I'm going to do right now is to insert another burger, but this time is the blurry burger. This blurry one, I'm gonna crop it as well. Then I'm going to put it behind the original burger. So I'll scroll, click on more, scroll, send, click on this, send to back. So it goes behind, as you can see. Then I'm going to duplicate it. And I'll place it right here still. Scroll, click on this, scroll, click on send back. Boom. That's what I want to create. That's the effect I want to create. The next thing is to search for shadow. Let's see if we can get a shadow effect on Canva. So go to elements, click on elements, and then click on, let's search for shadow. So shadow. Let's search for drop shadow. Some of the shadow, or even most of them, will be premium shadows. You can see, once you see pro, it means it's premium. It means you can't use them until you are using Canva Premium. But we're looking for something free, so let's be patient. We'll find. Okay, I think we have one here already. Let me just click on it. Yeah, we have this shadow. So I need to put the shadow at the base of the burger. I'm sure you get the concept, just to give it that nice drop effect. So I'm just going to place it right here, right there. And then I'll put the burger in front of it. Now let me click on the burger and put it in front of it. So yeah. So although the shadow is not it's not that strong, like it's not very noticeable, but I think it's manageable. Then the next thing now is to actually add our text. So I'm going to click on text, and I'm just going to click on add a text box, and then I'll type in, first thing I want to type in is the burger, the word burger. Then I'm going to increase the font size. Obviously I need to do that. Then I'm going to change the font type. First, let me change the color. So click on color. I need to make it white, obviously. Then I'm going to click on font to change the font type, to something that is cooler, better than this. So let's try this, if it would make sense. But basically we need a bold, we're trying to type burger here. We need something bold. I think this would work. Yeah. and then I'm just going to scroll, click on more, and place it at the back. Send to back. Nice. Then right now I'm going to add another text. So to add another text, I could just duplicate this, click on the existing text, click on this to duplicate it, and then type in my new text, and then I can now change the font. So I'm just gonna say let's say Yummy Burger. That's name of the burger. Could say Yummy Burger, and then I'll go to font and change this font to something else, something less dramatic. Let's see. I could use this. I'm still trying to see if I can get a better font. I don't know if this is cool enough. Let's scroll. Let's see if we can get a better font. And also, when it comes to fonts, yeah, there are also premium fonts. The ones with the crown icon, as you can see, they are all premium. So you can use them until you are subscribed to the premium plan for Canva. Okay, I have this. I would use this. You can see Yummy Burger. Yeah, I'm just going to use this. I would use this tool, nudge, to place the text properly. Boom. The next thing I want to do is to add something else, just to give the design more presence. So I'm going to click on elements, and then I'll scroll to where I have upload. Click on upload. I'm going to add this broccoli. Yeah, I'm just going to add this. I'll put it at one corner of the screen, just like that. Boom. Then I can duplicate it and put it somewhere here as well. Just allow a bit of it to show. Boom. That's cool. Then the next thing we want to do now is to basically add some text. Let's add like let's say we want to add order now. So we're going to put this. Let's add a bit of color. Let's add color to it. Yeah, order now. But basically, I'm trying to make this a button instead. So I'm going to click on text and search for button. Not text, sorry. I'm going to click on elements. Okay, basically this is the hand. I'll click on elements and then search for button. Yeah, so let's look for a right button that we can use for this design. Let's try this. All right, and we change the color to, can change the color to red. And then we'll place the text in front of the button, which means this text has to be white now because the button is red. So text has to be white. Yeah, let's reduce the size a bit. And let's place it right in the center of the shape. Exactly. So we have this, and then basically the design is done. It's that simple. Any other thing you want to add now would be like extra information. Let's just add a bit of text again. We could just say we could just say um um visit any of visit any of our outlets to grab a delicious burger today. And then I'm just going to place this right here at the bottom. Change the color as well to red, or no, I think red is not doing it. Maybe black, or maybe green. In fact, this could have been green. Let's see if this shape could have been green. It's not bad. Then the text as well can be green. Then you can change the font type to something smaller. Okay, we have this. I will use this. Yeah, exactly. So we're done with this burger flyer. So if you think this is cool, let me know in the comments. You can try designing it yourself, and then you can also save your design. Just click on this. What I mean is download. Canva automatically saves your design as a project, so you don't need to save anything. But if you want to download it into your phone, just click this button at the top of your screen, then click download. Then yeah, then you click the format you want to download it as JPEG, PNG, PDF, and all that. And then you click the download button at the bottom right here, and your design would simply just download, within a few seconds. Depends on how fast your network is.